Today we're going to do Module 8, Lesson 16, and our objective is I can solve elapsed time problems involving whole hours and a half hour. So let's take a look at our first problem. It says, Kalpana gets up at 7 a.m. She leaves the house at 7:30 a.m. How long does it take her to get ready? So it's important to figure out, is it the minutes that are changing, or the hours that are changing, or both? So if we look at the time from 7 a.m. to 7:30 a.m., I notice that the hours are the same because this is 7 a.m. and this is 7 a.m., but the minutes have changed. We went from 0 minutes to 30 minutes. So let's figure out how long it takes her to get ready. We're going to draw these on the clock. So for 7 o'clock, my big hand would be on the 12, and my little hand, which is the hour hand, would be pointing at the 7. For 7:30, my little hand would still be on the 7, the hour hand, but my minute hand is going to be on the 30. So let's count to find 30. So it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So my big hand will be on the 6. So how much time went from this clock to this clock? Well, as I've already said, the hour stays the same, but the minutes have changed. In this case, my minute hand had to move 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes to get to the 6. So, how long does it take her to get ready? It takes her 30 minutes. Let's try another problem. Problem 2 says Tony goes bowling on Saturday at 2 p.m. He gets home at 9 p.m. How long did he stay out? So again, ask yourself, is it the minutes or the hours that are changing? Well, here, my hour is 2. In this one, time, my hour is 9. My minutes are 0 here and 0 here. So that means that my hours are changing. So I'm going to use the clock again to help me. So first I'm going to make 2 o'clock. So for 2 o'clock, the big hand is on the 12, and the little hand points to the 2. Now I'm going to make 9 o'clock. Again, the big hand is on the 12. My minutes haven't changed. But my little hand is now going to be pointed at the 9. So, as we've looked at before, it's my hour hand that I need to take a look at. So let's see how many hours passed. So let's count our hours. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours to get to 9. So, how long did he stay out? He stayed out 7 hours. I can also figure this problem out using subtraction. I would put my 9 o'clock first, subtract my 2 p.m., and I would get my 7 hours. This only works because we are just changing hours, not minutes. And both my times are p.m. If one time was a.m. and one time was p.m., we would not be able to subtract to find the answer. Your best way to figure it out is using the clocks. We're going to do one more problem together. Problem 3. A movie starts at 11:30 a.m. and it finishes at 1:30 p.m. How long does the movie last? So again, is it the minutes or the hours changing? Well, here my hour is 11. Here my hour is 1 p.m. Here my minutes are 30 minutes, and here my minutes are 30 minutes. So we are going by hours. So let's use our clocks to figure this out. I'm going to draw 11:30. So the small hand, hour hand, needs to be at the 11. My minute hand needs to be on the 30. So I'm going to count by fives, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and I'm going to draw the minute hands at the 6, which represents 30 minutes. Now I'm going to draw 1:30. So my little hand needs to be on the 1 because that's my hour. And 30 minutes again is on the 6. So I'm going to draw my minute hand to the 6. So the hour hand's on the 1, the minute hand's on the 6 for 1:30. Now we already said that we're counting by hours. So I'm going to look to see how much my mid-hour hand is going to move from the 11 to the 1. So here is 1, 2. So, how long does the movie last? It lasts for 2 hours. You are going to try this problem on your own. It says the students arrive at the museum at 10 a.m. They leave at 2 p.m. How long are the students at the museum? So ask yourself, is it the minutes or the hours changing? Then, draw clocks in your notebook to help you solve the problem. Once you've finished this problem, you're done with today's lesson.